In front of me is a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device in order to basically get rid of this screen lock. And as you can see, all right, there it is. And to get rid of it, we're going to begin by shutting off the device. Now, if I would try to power off the device, it will tell me to put in a screen lock anyway. Oh wait, it was even the better one, I think, right? Yeah, it's right there. You can just stop here, power off, and it tells you to draw the pattern. So what we want to do is just forcibly shut off the device by holding power key and volume down. And the moment the screen goes black, you want to begin holding power key and volume up. So see, power and volume down. Keep holding. And switch to volume up. And once you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can let go. Okay, so right now we're in recovery mode. So from here, you want to use volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and up to go up. And power key will be used to confirm whatever we have selected. And with that in mind, let's select wipe data recovery or factory reset. So right here, confirm it with power key and then select yes once more. And then you get a little writing on the bottom, data wipe complete as the last entry. And recovery mode should be visible again with the reboot system now being selected by default. So let's just press power key once more and wait for the device to reboot, which will also continue the process of reset of the device in the background. So it might take a little bit longer than it normally does to turn back on. Now, once it's back on, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, so let's go through the setup process fairly quickly. I'm gonna choose English as my language. Okay, and then let's continue. Let's not listen to you. And let's just skip this. We have to agree to terms, skip for now. Okay. And previously there was an account logged into Google, so I will need to confirm it by the looks of it. So let me do that. Actually, I can confirm it with the pattern, which kind of defeats the purpose of this. So let's go into verify account, then type in the account. And now I'm going to put in the password for it. I'm going to use a new account and I'm just going to skip this. Let's continue or accept. Not now, skip anyway. And as you can see, we're finished and there is no more lock screen. And as long as you know the Google account that was logged into it, assuming there was one, you can just use that to basically proceed with the setup of the device. And the previous lock screen is gone, as you can see. So that is how you would perform a hard reset of the device and remove the screen lock. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.